What's going on, YouTube? It's your neighborhood redneck, back at you again. Today, we got a special package in. So this one came from a creators giveaway on Twitter. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Tech Odyssey for hosting such a cool giveaway. Let's open it up and find out. I'll put a link to his Twitter and his YouTube channel in the description below. Make sure you check them out. So, it's like we have the earpiece adapters, different sizes. This little box. So here they are. Nice white case. I like that. Blue inside. Left one. I've never had a pair of the Galaxy Buds yet. These would be my first ones. It's pretty awesome. Of course, the case charges them. Got a pretty good snap. They're not just going to come open on you. USB-C charging on the back. I'm not quite sure how big this is, but we'll find out here in a minute, and we'll get it connected to a phone. See how they do. Right away, as soon as I opened my phone, it asked me if I wanted to connect the Galaxy Buds, so they wanted to sync right away, which is awesome. Phone's setting it up. Congratulations on your new buds. Cool. Well, that was one of the easiest connections I've had. Just tap to touch and play or pause tracks. So, again, thanks Tech Odyssey. Appreciate that. And looks like they get pretty detailed in here where you can make all kinds of adjustments. So, also tells you the battery on them for each ear. So, I'll start using these. Use them for a few weeks. I'll get back to you guys with a review. Let you know what I think. They look like they're going to be pretty kick-ass. I already have the AKG N60's that are wireless that I use, and I love them, but they're not a bud. They're an over-the-ear, so alright.